Starring Entertainment.
Marami kayong mga tanong na gustong tanungin sa ating new endorser today. And now that we've met her, let's open the floor to our friends from the media as we get those questions about this wonderful partnership that we have here today. This is going to be an exciting journey with Heaven and Playtime and of course, Bossing right here. So if we're ready with our first question, you can take the mic at the middle of the stage and ask away. Ayan, we have our first one today. Can I have Heaven?
Kinakabahan, pero ready na.
Hindi naman to pageant, so we're good.
Ay, hindi ba? Okay, noted.
Alright, I think we have our first question up by the microphone. And of course, you may ask anything about the partnership we have today. It is, oh there, we have our first question. Hi, what's your name and what are you representing?
Hi, I'm Leia Salterio. Hi, Ben, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice to see you again.
I know.
What convinced you to be who was Playtime on North? Is she just the second one after Bossing? Just the second? Yeah, what convinced you to be just the second Playtime endorser or brand ambassador?
Yes, I mean, Playtime stood out to me because it champions entertainment at its core, diba? I love that it encourages people to enjoy, but at the same time with responsibility and heart. And so that's something I believe in. Fun doesn't have to be reckless.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. And
thank you.
Additional question, sorry. What are you busy with aside from Playtime these days?
Aside from Playtime,
yes.
Nakabisihan po natin, of course, ang I Love You Since 1892.
Mm-hmm.
Malapit na po yan, lalabas.
Alright.
September 6 na po.
Wow, malapit na.
Yes, on Viva One.
Alright, thank you.
Salamat po.
Jack.
Ang ganda nun, it is entertainment but also responsible about it. Because too much of something is really not. Of course, we have to be controlled about how much we have fun, diba? Yes. All right. Do we have our next question?
Yes, I'm Jerry Donato. My question for you is, what's your idea of playtime?
Ang idea ko for Playtime, balance. It's all about balance. Knowing when to play and knowing when to pause and take a breather. Kasi we have to find joy in small things. And so for me, ganun yung outlook ko for Playtime.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, was it last weekend pa yun na you graced the Viva Arcada? Sobrang ang galing, no? These are the up and coming, and of course, you belong to the established ones. What can you say about that experience that na nakasama mo sa isang stage, center stage ulit, yung mga dati mo nang nakatrabaho?
Masarap po sa pakiramdam kasi naging family na po ang mga Viva Arcada co-actors ko sa akin eh. Malaking bagay po din sila sa growth ko here in the industry. So I'm so grateful to Boss Vic for giving us the platform, diba, to showcase our talents. So yun po.
I love that. Quotable quotes of Heaven, all about balance, diba? Going
Yes.
with t-shirt yun.
Diba? We can enjoy, but at the same time, responsible tayo. So yun.
Thank you for the question. Do we have another one from the media friends?
Yeah, questions po? Ito siya.
All right.
John.
There. Hi, sir.
Hi, Heaven. I'm John Warner from kumkum.com. Congratulations on this new endorsement. First of all, this is going to be a little bit tricky to also market as far as the youth is concerned. And you're very young, and people look up to you. Now that you are part of Playtime, what would your advice be to younger generation that, still 18 and up, no, na mag-delve into having entertainment with Playtime? What would your advice be to them?
So, before naman, alam naman natin na Playtime, ano sila, licensed by PAGCOR.
Of course.
And meron naman tayong KYC, right? So, yes, we comply to the guidelines. And ang advice ko would be, it's okay to enjoy actually. It is okay. But at the same time, dapat responsible gaming tayo. So, yun ang advice ko sa kanila is to find joy in little things and knowing your limits and you know when to pause and have this parang space to disconnect and be present.
Okay. Heaven, have you already played on Playtime? And what's your favorite? Because there are thousands of games.
2,500 games.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
And what's your personal favorite?
Ako yung game Under Jill. Under Jilly. I loved it. Pero every day kasi, I try different games. I try different games because it's so easy, it's so accessible, and it's hassle-free. So nakakatuwa.
And parang hindi ka rin manawa.
Oo, 2,500, parang hindi tayo mananawa dyan, di ba?
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Yeah, you know, true, kailan ka naman makakatapos ng 2,500 games, di ba? But it is all about fun and responsible entertainment. That's what Playtime stands for. So, thank you very much for that question. Anyone else? All right, we have one more, yes?
Hi, I'm Romel Gonzalez. Heaven, anong naramdaman mo nung nalaman mo ang ikaw makakasama ni Bossing Vic sa pag-endorse ng Playtime?
Siyempre, honored po ako. Grabe, bata pa lang po ako, Bossing Vic na siya. And so, alam mo yun, it's a dream of mine to work with him. And now that I'm a part of his family, of Playtime family, sobrang nakakatuwa po, nakakataba po ng puso.
Na-meet mo na siya?
Naku, hindi pa nga po eh. Feeling ko next time na mag-promote tayo for this sa mga next ganap, yes, makakasama po natin siya.
So, Heaven, nasa bucket list mo ba, if ever, na makasama sa isang pelikula naman si Bossing Vic?
Oh, of course. Sana po. Pinanood ko lahat ng mga movies nga, di ba? Lalo na ng bata po ako. Pero sana. Nandito po si Boss Vic. Nakikinig sa atin. Ibibigay ko naman po 100% ko, di ba, Boss Vic? Yes.
So, di ba, Boss Vic tsaka Bossing Vic?
Oh, swerte talaga ako sa mga Boss Vic.
And for my last question, Heaven, paano mo itatawid sa publiko ang paglalaro responsibly?
We have many shows. Meron tayong mga promos tayo for that. Ang gusto ko nga dito sa Playtime is very committed na matutunan ng mga everyday Filipino natin ang responsible gaming. And so I'm excited to be an advocacy and to lend my voice with responsible gaming.
Thank